Here is how to connect Android Car and Apple CarPlay to your Toyota Yaris, Corolla, CHR, or Corolla Cross. First, press the gear icon on the main screen. Next, select Bluetooth and devices, and then tap Search for devices. Make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on in your phone's settings, then check the list of available devices. When you see your car's name appear on your phone, or your phone's name appear on the car's screen, select it to pair. Ensure that the pairing code shown on your phone matches the one on the car's screen, and then press Pair. Next, go back to the home screen and choose your preferred system. In my case, I'm using an Android, so I'll select Android Auto and tap my phone's name. A prompt will pop up on your phone asking for permission to access your messages and Android Auto. Just hit Allow. Give it a few seconds and Android Auto will start up. From here, you can easily set your navigation destination, play music on the side, or view the map in full screen. I hope this helps you get started with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay in your Toyota.